Okay, so we are been talking about entrepreneur. So what is the meaning of the word entrepreneur? So entrepreneur has many meanings. So you can see three different versions of the word entrepreneur. One is risk bearer, second one is organizer, and third one is innovator. So the term entrepreneur cannot be defined in a single way. So it has different dimensions of expressing the word. So first one is risk bearer, second one is organizer, and third one is innovator. So we are going to see what is the uh, reason behind giving these three dimensions of an entrepreneur. And generally, what we consider entrepreneur to be a specialized group of persons who bear uncertainty. Yes, they are going to start business, and you cannot clearly say their business will be successful always. Some are successful, some are not successful. Some try their business to be successful. Okay, so entrepreneur is a special group of people who bear uncertainty. You cannot clearly say whether they are going to be successful always in their life. That you will come to know only in due course of time. And what is uncertainty? Uncertainty means it is defined as the risk which cannot be insured against and is incalculable. Uncertainty means something which you cannot predict or which you cannot forecast. It is a risk which you cannot predict or forecast. So entrepreneurs start business with the motive of sustaining for long time and achieving profit. But that is again a huge amount of risk because that uncertainty is there. You cannot clearly say whether that business will run successfully or not. That is not possible in entrepreneurs. That's why they say it is a special group of persons who bear uncertainty. What is uncertainty? Uncertainty is a risk which cannot be insured and is uncalculable. Incalculable, you cannot assess the value of the risk when it is going to happen. So entrepreneurs are basically going to take risk only. So to be very simple. So now we'll see the three dimensions of entrepreneur. So first one is